asked a little songbird, how do you sing all day? Does your voice never tire? Doesn't your passion drain away? But he didn't speak in English, he only sang in birdish. So I learnt a little birdish, and in birdish heard him say, I am just a songbird, but you do well to listen. I sing dawn to dusk, I sing on my own commission. I'm the conscience of a man whose conscience went missing, and I live forever, although I'm already dying. And I asked a little songbird, who are you singing for? Are you waiting for someone to fly in at the door? And he looked a little sad and he bowed his little head. And as far as I could understand, oh, this is what he said. I am just a songbird, what is yours to choose. I sing for the love that I've lost and the love I'm yet to lose. I take nothing for the pain is underlying, and I live forever, although I'm already aging. And I asked a little songbird, which nation are you from? And where are your countrymen, or are they dead and gone? And he turned and he looked at me with eyes full of scorn, and I knew I was the biggest fool of all fools ever born. I am just a songbird, but I tell you for what it's worth, oh man are my brothers, and my nation is the earth. I have no thoughts above my station, son, don't be absurd. I have no thoughts above my station, for my station is the whole universe. A little songbird as he turned to fly away. I know this sounds silly, but I didn't catch your name. And he turned and he looked at me with eyes sharp as glass, and then he opened up his beak and sang, well, since you was, I am just a songbird, but you do well to listen. I sing dawn to dusk, I sing on my own commission. I'm the conscience of a man, his conscience has gone missing, and I live forever. I'm already